Welcome students to our fascinating world of SmartClass. Today we will explore the interesting world of acids, bases and salts. These substances are all around us and play important roles in our daily lives. Let's dive in and discover their unique properties and uses. We encounter various substances in our daily life like lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar. But do they all taste the same? Let's find out. Taste experiment. To determine the taste of these substances, we'll conduct a taste experiment. If you have access to any of these substances, taste them and note it down. Remember, always follow safety precautions and do not taste unknown substances without proper guidance. Sour and acidic. We often associate sour taste with substances like curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar. This sourness is due to the presence of acids. These substances are called natural acids and their chemical nature is acidic. Bitter and basic. Now what about baking soda? Does it taste sour like the others? Surprisingly, no. Baking soda tastes bitter and feels soapy when touched. Substances like baking soda, which are bitter and soapy, are known as bases. They have a basic nature. Testing acidic and basic nature. How do we determine the nature of a substance if we can't taste it? That's where indicators come in. Indicators are special substances that change color when added to acidic or basic solutions. Some examples include turmeric, litmus, and China rose petals. Acidic and basic indicators. Litmus, a natural dye extracted from lichens, is one of the most commonly used indicators. It turns red in the presence of acids and blue in the presence of bases. Turmeric, on the other hand, changes its color from yellow to red in the presence of acids and remains unchanged in bases. Conducting indicator experiments. Let's perform some simple experiments using indicators. Dip red litmus paper into a solution to test its acidic nature. If it turns blue, the solution is basic. Repeat the process with blue litmus paper to determine if the solution is acidic. Make turmeric paper by drying turmeric paste on filter paper. Add drops of different solutions to observe any color changes. Neutral solutions. Some substances have no effect on indicators, neither changing red litmus blue nor blue litmus red. These substances are known as neutral solutions. They are neither acidic nor basic. An example is water. Neutralization. Now let's explore what happens when an acid and a base are combined. When an acidic solution and a basic solution are mixed in appropriate amounts, they neutralize each other's effects. This reaction is called neutralization, resulting in the formation of a salt and water. Everyday applications of neutralization. Neutralization has practical applications in our everyday lives. For example, when we experience indigestion, antacids like milk of magnesia help neutralize excess stomach acid. Neutralization is also used to treat ant bites by applying both baking soda and lemon juice. It's used to balance soil pH for optimal plant growth and neutralize harmful acids in factory waste before disposal. Today, we've explored the world of acids, bases and salts. We have learned about their tastes, tested their nature using indicators, and discovered how neutralization plays a vital role in various aspects of our lives. Acids and bases may seem mysterious, but with experiments and understanding, we can unlock their secrets. So that's all, friends, about acids, bases, and salts. We will meet you in the next video on another topic. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. Keep exploring and embracing the wonders of science.